SQL interview questions and answers 81 to 85. Question number 81. What is the difference between truncate and drop statement? Both truncate and drop are SQL statements used to remove data from a table, but they differ in their behavior and the level of impact on the database. The truncate statement is used to remove all the data from a table, but the table structure remains intact. It is a fast and efficient way to remove all the data from a table and is commonly used in situations where a large number of rows need to be deleted. However, truncate cannot be rolled back and does not log individual row deletions, so it is not recommended for use on tables with the critical data. The drop statement, on the other hand, removes both the data and the table structure, meaning that the table no longer exists in the table. This statement is irreversible, and all data and schema information associated with the table are permanently deleted. The drop statement should be used with caution, as it can have significant and unintended consequences if executed incorrectly. In summary, truncate is a faster and more efficient way to remove data from a table, while drop deletes both the data and the table structure, making it a more destructive operation. It is important to use the appropriate statement based on the specific requirement of the task at hand. Question number 82. What are aggregate and scalar functions? Aggregate and scalar functions are two types of functions that are commonly used in SQL to perform calculations on data. Aggregate functions are functions that operate on a set of values and return a single value. These functions are used to perform calculation across multiple rows in a table and commonly include functions such as sum, count, average, max, and min. For example, the sum function calculates the sum of all the values in a column, while a count function counts the number of rows in a table or the number of non-null values in a column. Scalar functions, on the other hand, operate on a single value and return a single value. These functions are used to perform calculation on individual data values within a row and commonly include functions such as upper, lower, round, and concat. For example, the upper function converts a string to uppercase, while the round function rounds a numeric value to a specified number of decimal places. Both aggregate and scalar functions are important tools in SQL that allow you to manipulate and analyze data in a variety of ways. It's important to choose the appropriate function based on a specific requirement of your query or calculation. What is an inner join in SQL? Question number 83. What is an inner join in SQL? An inner join is a type of join in SQL that returns only the rows from two or more tables that have matching values in a specified column or set of columns. The result set of an inner join contains only the rows for which there is a match in both tables based on a specified join condition. To perform an inner join in SQL, you need to specify the tables you want to join, the columns you want to join on, and join condition using the join keyword. Here is an example of an inner join between two tables, orders and customers, based on a common customer ID column. Equal to select all from orders, inner join customers on orders dot customer ID is equal to customer dot customer underscore ID. In this example, the inner join statement combines orders and customers tables based on the matching customer underscore ID column. The on clause specifies the join condition that is used to match rows from both tables. Inner joins are commonly used in SQL to combine data from multiple tables into a single result set, allowing you to retrieve related data that is stored in different tables. They are a powerful tool for data analysis and can be used in a variety of ways to answer complex business questions. Question number 84. What is outer join in SQL? An outer join is a type of join in SQL that returns all the rows from one table and matching rows from the other table, along with any non-matching rows that exist in either table. Unlike an inner join, which only return rows that have matching values in both tables, an outer join can return all rows from one or both tables depending on the type of outer join used. There are three types of outer joins in SQL: left outer join, right outer join, and full outer join. A left outer join returns all the rows from the left table along with matching rows from the right table. If there is no matching rows in the right table, the result set will contain null values for the right table columns. A right outer join returns all the rows from the right table along with matching rows from the left table. If there is no matching rows in the left table, the result set will contain null values for the left table columns. A full outer join returns all the rows from both tables along with matching rows from each table. If there is no matching rows in either table, the result set will contain null values for the corresponding table columns. To perform an outer join in SQL, you need to specify the tables you want to join, the columns you want to join on, and the data of outer join you want to use, left, right, or full. Using the join keyword, here is an example of left outer join between two bills, orders and customers based on a common customer ID column. SQL code. Select all from orders left outer join customers on orders custom is equal to customer ID dot customer. In this example, left outer join statement combines the orders and customers tables based on matching customer ID column and return all the rows from orders table along with matching rows from customers table. If there is no matching rows in the customers table, the result set will contain null values for the customers table columns. Auto joins are a powerful tool in SQL that allows you to retrieve all the relevant data from multiple tables even when there are no matching rows between them. They are commonly used in data analysis and reporting to answer complex business questions that require data from multiple sources. Question number 85. What is full join in SQL? There is no full join keyword in standard SQL. Instead, a full join can be achieved in SQL by combining a left join and a right join using the union keyword to combine the result. A full join is a type of join that returns all the rows from both the tables being joined along with any matching rows between them. If there is no match for a row in one of the tables, the result set will contain null values for the columns of the non-matching table. Here is an example of full join between two tables, orders and customers based on a common customer ID column. While the syntax of full join in SQL can be more complex than for the other types of join, it can be a powerful tool for combining data from multiple tables into a single result set, allowing you to retrieve all relevant data even when there are no matching rows between them. SQL code. Select all from orders left join customers, and there is this condition on orders dot customer ID is equal to customer ID is equal to customer dot customer ID union. Select all from orders right join customer ID customers on customer ID. This is condition. In this example, left join statement combines the orders and customers tables based on the matching customer ID column and returns all the rows from the orders table along with the matching rows from the customers table. The right join statement does the same but returns all rows from the customers table instead. The union keyword is then used to combine the results of both joins, resulting in a full join of the two tables. Thank you.